Some of the signs or symptoms that you might experience that mean you should get a hearing test. One of the most common ones that we hear is people starting to have difficulty understanding speech in noisy places. When there's background noise present, it starts getting a little bit more difficult for them to follow what's being said. Another early symptom that we see is, people will say, I can hear, but I don't understand. It sounds like people are mumbling, that people don't enunciate clearly. If people would speak well, I would be able to understand what they're saying. The fact of the matter is you're missing some of the consonants. Your ear just isn't sensitive enough, and so you miss them, and so you're missing what they say. Another big symptom is tinnitus or tinnitus, also known as ringing, humming, buzzing in the ears. If you're noticing that typically is a check engine light, if you will, for your ear, that something has changed and you probably should come in and get a hearing test if you notice any of those three things.